Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another special unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. These are really cool. This is the future of lighting for your home, especially all you gamers, streamers on Twitch, vloggers, YouTubers. This is what everybody's getting now, guys. The Hexagonal LED light, USB power supply, portable, multicolor. It works with the Android or iOS. And this is one pack. You get 6 titles. Really cool, easy to set up. I already emptied it out because I got it laid out in my room. I'm just trying to figure out where I'm going to put it on my wall. So you get a remote control, app control version. And there's different ones to choose, so all you gotta do is click the link. This is what the manual looks like. There's different ways to show the signal to connect. But it's really easy to do it. Comes with a normal phone adapter and USB. But we'll go into the other bedroom. And because I got 2 of them, so you can hook up multiple of them at once. You could do your whole wall filled with these really cool lights. So this is coming from WAVEHIVE. Like I said, I'll leave the link down below. Check them out. We're gonna hop over right about now. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. We got it all set up. Look at this, the future of lighting right now. I'm just not sure where I'm gonna set these up. Maybe on that wall somewhere. But right now, this is why I showed you the back side right here. See these little arrows? You just gotta match them up. So if you start where the plug is, you see it go that way, kind of went that. So you just gotta match them up and it'll work. It took me a little bit to get to it, but finally got it going. And there's an app on the Android or iOS. It's going to be called Dream Color. But once you scan the QR code, it'll take you to a website. And it'll be able to download this app, which is really cool. So now I'm going to flip. Alrighty, YouTubers, here what it looks like. Excuse me. Well, this is what it looks like. The WAVEHIVE Dream Color. Here is the app. Go like this. And it is Alexa compatible too. You can always set that up. It's so cool. This is the future of lighting, guys. You can turn it up. Super bright too. Just remember, you get one box, you get 6 of them in one box. I combined 2 boxes together, that's why it looks like that. But you only get 6 in one box. So you might want to buy a couple of them, you know. Depends on how big your area you want to do. But I could even have it running across. I'm not sure where I'm going to put these though, but on the app, do it that way. Different modes. You can pause it. And there's auto. Whoa. That is really cool. You can hook up music to it. So if you have downloaded music, it looks like a record player. I don't have no music on my iPhone yet, so but you can just hit play and it'll just play it off the your phone, and it'll do a light show. I'll show you the light show though, because you could set the mic right here. I press it. Hello, 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 hello. See, it goes with the sound. So perfect for movies, gaming, voice interactive. This is really top of the line right here, guys. Music mode. Then you can change. Go down here. Double. That's cool. See, they're racing. You can change the color. You can make it Christmassy. Like that also. And the brightness. Definitely super excited to get this, so you guys can get it too. Great stocking stuffer for anybody. So check them out. Link is going to be down below. Be safe. Have a good day. Happy Thanksgiving.